Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025 GA question number 3. A 4x4 digital image has pixel intense U as shown in the figure. The number of pixels with U less than equals to 4 is, and 4 options are given. This is easy, just count how many pixels are less than equals to 4. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 4 because it's written less than equals to. 4 is equals to 4. 7 is greater than 4, so no. 3 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, here 3. Then 5 and 5 both are greater than 4, so no. 4, 4, here 2. Then 6, 7 both are greater than 4, 3, 2 can be. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, it's 11. There are 11 pixels which are less than equals to 4. Answer will be option C, 11. This is easy, just count how many pixels are less than equals to 4. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.